I stay on YouTube all the time, so I'm trying to find ways to make my life a little bit better. I came across you in August when I bought the CRM in my first league. My very first two leads that I won was door to door. Then after that, the rest of them was all straight cold calling because I didn't have no money for no gas. Well, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Okay.
All right, and it's two people that's in the group that helped me out. You know what I mean?
How has being in Clean Biz Network helped you in general? Really, you kind of just said it, but that was one of my questions, so I'm just gonna roll with it.
Man, it helped me in all different types of ways, man. As in, like, it helped my mind. You know, you keep me focused. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know what I'm saying? That's how I knew CBN was real. From there, I was like, all right, it's real. You know what I'm saying?
Cleaning business.
Easy.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
What's up, y'all? It's AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and today I have a very special guest. All right, today's guest joined Clean Biz Network back in August. In September, he signed his first contract. In October, he lost his job, and then right after that, he signed 3 contracts, y'all, and he's been killing it ever since. So I had to get him on here. So without further ado, please welcome the owner of All Green Solutions out of Winchester, Virginia, Mr. DeVon Kenny. What's up, DeVon?
How y'all doing?
Welcome, bro. I appreciate you for taking the time to join me.
Thank you.
Absolutely. So, you've seen the interviews before. You already know how we're going to start it off. So, if you don't mind sharing about roughly where you are as far as revenue goes with your cleaning company.
About $4,000 a month.
Nice. That's what's up, bro. Especially for you just getting started. So, I want to rewind. And before we go into how you did that like that, let's just rewind a little bit. And let me just ask you, who is DeVon?
DeVon is somebody from Fauquier County. You know, a country boy that was tired of going in circles in life, man.
Yeah.
So I stay on YouTube all the time, so I'm trying to find ways to make my life a little bit better or et cetera. And I came across you.
Okay. That's what's up, bro. So, and you said DeVon, so it's not DeVon.
It's DeVon.
Okay, bet. I got you. Appreciate that. Now, why out of all the businesses to start, why a cleaning business?
Low overhead.
Yeah.
I ain't had that much money to even start off with in the beginning, you know what I mean?
Right.
So that's the way I went.
Okay. Now, when did you start your business approximately?
In August when I bought the CRM in my first league.
bet. That's what's up. So you straight started with Clean Biz Network.
Yeah,
okay,
straight off jump.
Bet. So do you do residential and commercial or just commercial?
Just commercial.
Okay, but and a lot of people scared to do that, so they think that they gotta start a residential first. So you proof that you ain't gotta do that. Go straight to commercial. So I love that.
Yeah.
Now, what would you say? Actually, what are you doing to get all of these walkthroughs? Because you know we saw you posting it back to back, left and right in the group. So I want to know, like, what's your secret, bro, to getting all these walkthroughs scheduled?
Man, AJ, I'm gonna keep it real with you, man. I just be myself.
Yeah,
that's it.
Yeah,
get on the phone, start talking. There's only 2 things they're gonna say: yeah or no.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Keep it moving. That's it.
But so you basically almost every lead that you got so far was straight to cold calling yourself.
My very first two leads that I won was door to door.
Okay.
Then after that, the rest of them was all straight cold calling because I didn't have no money for no gas. So
Right.
I had to sit home and get to it. You know what I mean?
That's what's up, though. That's real. I love that. And so, all right. So we was talking about, getting those appointments, right? You cold calling. And so I do know that you had a situation too where you were cold calling and a couple of them stood you up. So you had booked, I think, like 5 appointments or 6 appointments in one day. And the next thing you know, you went to some and a few of them stood you up. Like, can I talk about that?
All of them stood me up.
That's crazy.
Yeah, every last one of them stood me up. So I went back home. It was raining that day. I went back home. I cold called and I landed 2 restaurants.
Nice.
And actually closed both deals on both restaurants.
Dang, congrats
on that.
Congrats. So why didn't you get discouraged when you went, because you booked the appointments, you set them yourself, so you knew, like, because sometimes that happened to people when they bought leads or something. Yeah. You actually set these appointments yourself. So when you showed up and you like, dang, this happened not once, not twice, but a bunch of times. So it's like, why didn't you get discouraged and you decided to still keep going with
Man, I got that dog in me, man.
it?
I'm just gonna be honest,
Yeah,
That's it, I just know just keep going.
right.
And I kept going and I landed 2 restaurants. Then from there, it was, just smooth selling. But that's about it.
Okay. Now I know a couple people gonna watch and they're gonna be like, okay, well, you got the appointments, you did the walkthrough, but how did you know how much to price the jobs for when you got those restaurants?
Well, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Okay.
All right. And it's 2 people that's in the group that helped me out, you know what I mean? I know I'm gonna mess his name up, but his name start with a T. He from South Carolina.
South Carolina. Are you talking about
Um,
Trevino?
yeah,
Yeah,
him,
shout out to Trevino.
him, and John, the
Okay,
guy
yep,
that
John.
actually did the interview for the restaurants,
Yep.
and I got to give it to those 2 guys. They showed me something different, you know what I mean? So, but
Yeah.
I just put my own little thing on it, and it worked, you know what I mean?
So that's why shout out to John Dewberry as well and Trevino.
Yeah.
Appreciate them CBN members right there helping the brother out. So okay, now how has being in Clean Biz Network helped you in general? Really, you kind of just said it, but that was one of my questions, so I'm just gonna roll with it.
Man, it helped me in all different types of ways, man. As in, like, it helped my mind,
Yeah,
Yeah, I still got some of my old ways, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna work on it as a man to become
right,
a better owner, to
right.
do better. But you keep me focused. I ain't gonna lie to you, you know what I'm saying? You and there's another dude that keep me focused. I think his name Lane or something like that.
Oh yeah, Landry Dixon. Yeah,
Yeah,
Land.
yeah,
Yeah,
him. So that's how it all started. I called him. Well, I hit him on Instagram one day.
mm-hmm.
Slim did not play. He straight sent me a video called me. And that's how I knew CBN was real. You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? From there, I was like, all right, it's real. You know what I'm saying? So then me and him talked a little bit. Then,
That's what's
then
up, bro.
went
Yeah, it's a
on.
movement. We all over the place. That's why I love
Yeah.
the conferences because that's when everybody really come together. You can feel it. You know what I mean? It's real tangible. So that's what's up. Now I see you got 2 restaurants. We talked about that. So would you say that that's the niche you gonna stick to, or you just pretty much taking what you can get right now?
Nah, that's my niche. But actually I got 4 restaurants.
Oh dang. Okay, bet. So how many contracts do you got total?
6 total
Wow,
contracts.
that's crazy, bro. So you started August. So we talking about August? So September, October,
Yeah.
November, December. 4 months and already 6 contracts. That's
Yeah.
amazing. That's
And
amazing.
like, let me explain something though, real quick, so people don't get it all messed up.
Yep.
Some of those contracts, like those restaurants, they were just one-time cleans, but
Right.
they was deep cleans though, from the front of the house to the back of the house. You know what I mean?
Right.
So, and the one restaurant I go to on an everyday basis, Cracker Barrel.
Yeah.
So I got a contract with Cracker Barrel, and then after Cracker Barrel is Mission Barbecue.
And see, people probably won't even think to call like a Cracker Barrel or somebody like that as a commercial restaurant. So that's what's up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
But now, have you hired any subcontractors or employees yet, or are you doing everything?
Doing everything.
That's what's up, bro. That's what's up. Okay. So with that said, about how much time would you say you spending in the field right now? Like, if on an average basis, like what would you say your work week looking like, far as hours spent in the field and just hours spent in the field?
Sure. Between let's just say 10 hours, to be honest with you.
Dang. Okay.
Yeah. Let's just say 10 hours for real.
A day or a week?
A week.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro. That means you killing it then.
Yeah.
That's
So
crazy.
like with the Cracker Barrel, so the way I got into the Cracker Barrel, I cold called them and they already got a cleaner. All right. But he asked me if I knew handyman work.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, yeah. So that's how I got into the Cracker Barrel.
Mm.
So now for the Cracker Barrel, I'm doing handyman work for them. But the people they got cleaning, they don't like them.
Right.
So they trying to push them out. But when they push them out, I'm already going to be in place to take the cleaning on and the handyman work.
That's crazy, bro. So wait a minute. Are you already? Were you just a handyman anyway, or you just did what
Nah,
you had to
man.
do?
He asked me a question. I ran with it.
That's
You
how
know what
you
I
do
mean?
it, though. Yeah.
I'm pretty good with my hands. I'm pretty well-rounded.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure I can figure out how to put a doorknob on.
Right.
You
Right.
know what I'm
YouTube
saying?
exists, right?
Yeah, exactly. You know?
Fact. I love that, bro. That's what's up. You get the job and you figure out how to do it later. Just close the deal. We figure out how to, you know what I mean, deliver on it later. All right.
Yeah.
Now, I know you talked about you lost your job too. So, like, kind of go into that experience and, like, did that fuel you to go even harder with your business?
Yeah, that's when I landed all those contracts, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
That's when you see me posting the most, that's when
Yeah.
I had no job, you know what I'm saying? That's when I was going the hardest.
Right. Now, that's
Right
what's
then
up.
and there.
Okay. What would you say has been the hardest part about growing your business so far?
Ooh, man. I guess, I don't know for real, AJ, man, because
You just getting started. You still just really is like an adventure for you at this point.
yeah. You know what I'm saying? I see the ups and downs and I see, the backside and this, that, and the third, but I don't think I hit the hard
Right.
spot yet, you know what I'm saying?
Right. So main
So
thing, I guess, the hardest thing really was just get it starting in general. But now that you started,
exactly.
you got you.
Exactly. Yeah,
Okay, but
yeah,
all right, now I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. We're gonna go and jump into this lightning round real quick. So you know how it works. I'm gonna say a word or a phrase, and you just tell me the first thing that come to mind. You ready?
yeah.
All right, but first one is Winchester, Virginia.
First client.
Okay. Next one is entrepreneurship.
Different.
Right. Next one is cleaning business.
Easy.
Okay. Social media.
Different.
Yeah, right. Okay. Which social media platform do you spend the most time on?
YouTube.
Okay. What else I got? Something that you have splurged on so far with the money you made from your cleaning company.
Equipment.
Right. Reinvest. Okay. All right. Something that you look forward to splurging on once you get like your income at a dream level, basically.
On automation course.
Okay, nice. See, you always think you thinking investing straight up. I love it.
Yeah.
All right, bet. What else we got? Keys to success.
1 second, please.
Okay.
All right. Keys to success. There's a couple different things, all right?
All right.
So one of them is S. See your goals. The U. Understand the objects. C. Create a positive mental picture.
Mm-hmm.
The other C. Clear your mind of all doubts. E. Embrace the change. S. Stay on track. The other S. Show the world you can.
That's hard, bro. You keep that with you all the time?
Hey man, this thing stay in my pocket 24/7,
Yes, what's
man.
up, bro? Where you get that from? What is that?
Well, my uncle made it for me, man.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying? He made it for me. He wrote a couple different things. Like I got a fish thing right here, and it says the success thing on the back. You know what I'm saying? So that's just something I keep with me at all times. You know.
That's what's up, bro. I love that. I got to get me something like that just to remind myself every day. I love that right there. All right, but the next one I got for you, favorite hobby when you got some free time.
Man, trying to build my business, to be honest with you, 5 different ways. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, straight up though, straight up. All right, next one, your favorite YouTube channel other than mine.
Well, I got 2 of them.
Okay.
One would be DJ The Balls.
You gonna say that shit, my guy?
Yeah, and the 85 South Show.
Okay, bet that's a good one too. Whenever I get some chill time, I'm definitely vibing with them. All right, bet. What else we got? Best decision you've made in business so far?
Just doing it.
There you go.
Stop playing around and just go for it. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir. All right, your top 5 rappers all time. I always ask for this one at the end.
Hey man, I'm gonna be honest with you, AJ. Man, I don't even listen to rap like that.
I had a feeling you might say that, bro. I had a feeling. I don't know why, because the way you on your success vibe and you just locked in. I'm like, bro, probably might not even be listening to rap. So Do you
Yeah,
do you listen to music at all?
I do listen to music, man. Like there's one guy called Kingfish. You
Okay.
know, he played blues.
Okay.
There's another guy called Marcus King.
Okay.
They in the same little music little thing. But 9 out of 10, man, is just YouTube and feeding my brain.
That's
You know
what's
what I
up.
mean?
That's what's up. I love that. I love that. All right, so that concludes the end of the lightning round. So now I'm gonna jump back to a couple more questions I got for you, then we'll wrap it up. All right. So if you had to start all over again, I know it ain't been that long for you anyway, but if you lost everything, you got to start all over again, and you were trying to get back to the point that you are today with your company, what would you do?
And knowing what I know right now,
Yep.
oh shoot, I'm grabbing the phone, bud. I'm cold calling all over again.
Yeah.
But this time I'll have a little different setup. You know what I'm saying? I just won't be calling anybody and everyone, but yeah, I'm definitely cold calling again all over.
For sure. Okay, but and then another one I got for you is if somebody's watching this video right now and they think about starting that business, but they scared to make that jump, what would you say to them right now?
Just go for it.
Yeah.
You never know, man. You never know what's gonna happen. You know, you're not gonna know unless you do it. You know, that's just the way it goes. And it took a long time to tell myself that. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So
Speaking, how long would you say you was watching my videos and stuff before you actually took action and got your company started?
man, for every bit of like 2.5 years.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
man, like
crazy.
2.5 years. 2.5 years, man. Yeah, it was between you and DJ the boss. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Yeah.
I was going back and forth. You know,
That's
but
what's up, bro.
yeah, for a minute.
Damn, that's great. Well, I'm glad you took the action, bro. You see the results and what it is. So it's only up from here, bro. So with that said, let the people know how can we follow your journey going forward.
Man, just I don't got nothing. I don't got no social media. The only thing I got is Facebook. You know,
Right.
so just join CBN. I'm in the group. You know,
There
that's
you go.
it.
There you go. Come on, join us, y'all, and hop on there. Holler at me and DeVon, and I will see y'all in there. Appreciate you so much, DeVon, for coming on.
All right, man. Have a good one.
All right, you too, bro. Thanks.
All right.
Are you looking to start your own cleaning company? Or maybe you started your cleaning company, but you just need a support group, some mentorship, some guidance. Hell, a bidding calculator just to help you know if you're pricing the job correctly. Join us at cleanbiznetwork.app. That's www.cleanbiznetwork.app today and get on the right track with your cleaning company. We have everything you could possibly need to get you going in the right direction and see why we've been the leading cleaning business consulting company for the past 5 years and why they call me, AJ Simmons, the cleaning business GOAT. So I can help you just like I've helped and my company has helped thousands of other people start and grow their cleaning companies. Go to the number one source today, www.cleanbiznetwork.app. Thank you.